So this is the data set we are going to work with, okay, for the rest of this set of modules, okay. And you see that the index, so you have the column names, okay, and you have the row indices, okay. So row indices is 0 to 1, 0 to 29, okay. So basically 30 rows, okay. We can change the indices, okay. So like we have the column names, we can actually change the indices, okay. So by default the row indices are 0, 1, so and so, but let's say we want to change it to call the column city, okay, as the index, okay. We can set the city as the index, okay, but this doesn't change the data frame, okay. Does it change the data frame? No, because the data frame is still the same. So what we have to do is we have to say df.setIndex and city in place equals true, okay. When you do in place equals true, that means override the old data frame and create a new data frame with city with city as the new row index, okay. So you see you have city as the index, okay, and when you say df.index, it'll give you the indices of the row names. Basically in Excel term you would call it row names, okay. And and if you want to pull the second index, okay, it'll give you that, okay, 0, 1 and 2, okay, df.index 2. And if you want to say range of indexes, say 0 to, or let's say 2, okay, it will give you 0 and 1, okay, just like that. That 2 doesn't come in typical Python, right? You will not get the exact the last location, okay. So it's going to 0 and 1, okay. So that's index, df.index. Df.columns will give you the list of columns in this data frame, okay. And values is going to give you a two-dimensional array of what we have in this data frame, okay. So all the values in the data frame, okay. So you will not see the column and the row names, you will see everything beyond the column and row names in this ND array of values, okay. So for example, in the column you have state, middle class, because city is no longer a column, city is now the row name because we changed that row name, okay. And all the rest of the stuff. So when you look at this thing, you will not see the cities anymore because that's the index. Anything beyond the city and the column is what you will see in df.values, okay.